This is Syrebo E12 advanced latest hand rehabilitation device. You can see this is the host device. This is the rehabilitation glove. This is the data glove, wireless data glove, and these are the accessories. This is the charger. This is the spike ball. So now I will give you the demo of the device. This is the advanced latest device after C12 and C11 device. This is the latest one, E12 model, and this is how a device looks like that. And now I will show the demo of the same, the training modes and the different training modes. I will perform the different activity in the different training modes. So you can see this is the these are the 6 training modes in the same: passive training mode, mirror training mode, fine motor training mode, opposition mode, pinch mode, and stretching mode. So one by one I will show you the demo of the same, and will tell how all these are different from each other. And this is the device which supports the voice broadcast. So every action you will perform in the same, that will be sent as a voice message. As I am pressing the same, is telling that you have switched to the mirror mode, fine motor, as you can hear her voice, opposition mode, pinch mode, stretching mode. So this is the voice broadcast. Everything which is happening in the device in that training mode, he will also tell. And if doctor want to use the same feature, he can use, or he can also switch off the feature by using that button to hold for a while. And that's it. Device will now, voice broadcast will go into the muted state, and now he will not say anything in the voice message. But he want, if he wants the same, he can press the same, long press the same, and again the voice broadcast will be activated now. So now I have selected the passive mode training, and in the passive mode the device will, the rehabilitation gloves will perform flexation and extension continuously in the passive mode. So now I am starting the same. You can see that rehabilitation glove is getting extended, flexing. He's open your hand. The device is telling, closing the hand. So this is the passive training mode where the rehabilitation gloves will go into flexation and extension. So you can also adjust the time of the flexion, or also time for the extension. So you can adjust the same from 1 to 9. So like if I put the 9 second here and 9 second here. So now you can see the rehabilitation gloves. It will remain in the extended. Now it's flexation. Now you can see in the flexation mode, it will wait for the 9 second. It will keep in the hand in the flexation mode, and then it will extend the same. It will hold for the 9 second, then it will flex again. So you can set the timer, hold time, and in the flexation and extension mode with the help of this button over here. Also you can adjust the pressure intensity of this flexation and extension, and you can control the pressure, the power by which your hand is getting flexating, or the power at which your hand is getting extended. I will show you how to do the same. You have to press that key. Now you have switched to the power mode. Now you can adjust the power from here 1 to 9 according to the need. The pressure of the extension and flexation will be provided. So this is the passive training mode. Now I will switch to the other training mode. I have to pause the same, select the mirror training, and this is the mirror training mode. In the mirror training mode, this is data glove. The data glove will be there in the hand of the normal hand of the patient, or in the hand of the doctor, and this is the wireless Bluetooth device. So if doctor wears the same, You have to select that mirror training, start. The activity you will perform in the data glove will get repeated in the rehabilitation glove. You can see the rehabilitation glove is also extended. The time you will hold, it will remain the same. Then again I am contracting my hand. Here you can control the single finger too, like I am contracting my thumb only. So there are 5 sensors in the data glove. So every finger has their own sensor. So you can control that sensor and activity according to your need. So this is the mirror training mode. Now I will show you the other training modes. I just pause the same. I have switched the same to the fine motor mode, and here you can see the rehabilitation glove movement. I'm starting the same. So you can see fine motor. First your thumb has got pressed. Your hand is getting open now. Index finger is closed now. Opened. Next finger will be pressed. It will open now. Next finger will get flexed again. Hand will open now. Now the last finger will get flexed again. So one by one, each and every finger will get flexated and extension. This is the fine motor training mode. Now I will show you the other mode. Again it's getting repeated, thumb finger, then this finger, then one by one each finger will again extend and flex. Pausing the same, switching the same to the opposition mode. Now you see what happened in the opposition mode. The pinch will perform. This is the thumb and this is the first finger. Hand will open now. Now the pinch will be performed between this finger and thumb. It will open again. Now the pinch will perform between this finger and this finger. So this is the opposition mode where the pinch will be performed with the opposition finger, thumb and all the opposition finger. So this is how it different from the fine motor mode, where one by one each finger was getting and thumb was getting contracted and extended. Here pinch is formed between the opposition fingers. Now pausing the same, switching to the other mode. This is the pinch mode. You can see the pinch will form between the thumb and the first finger. Then it will open. Now the pinch will form between thumb and the first two fingers. It will open now. Now the pinch will form between first three fingers and the thumb. So you can see that three fingers are getting now pinched with the thumb. Now it will get open. Now complete hand will be get pinched with the thumb. So this is the pinch mode, and the last mode is now extension mode, stretching mode. I'm pausing the same, switching the same to the stretching mode, and now I'm starting the same. So you can see that in the stretching mode, after completion of all the training, the hand will get stretched and it will get stretched for a while. After that it will get relaxed. It will keep on stretching, keep on stretching. It will keep on stretching for a while and then relax. So this is the stretching mode. So this is the latest E12 model with the LCD display and wireless data glove, and there are 6 training modes while other models are having 3 or lesser than the same. So this is the advanced Syrebo E12 model, and this is the complete demo of the same. Thanks for watching.